Reading a good book while enjoying a hot cup of coffee and that amazing view sounds like the perfect way to spend the day. This is a vegetarian cafe at isa to sa mga matagal ng sikat dito sa Sagada. This place is called Gaia Cafe, and in the first few years na nagta-travel kami sa Sagada, talagang wooden cafe lang to na sobrang presko and rustic, pero ngayon nag-renovate na sila. Ngayon, concrete na yung structure with glass windows and syempre mas maluwag. Although I'm still not sure which one I like better, pero anyway, pabalik-balik pa rin talaga ako dito. For lunch, I ordered this spicy white bean stir fry na maraming tomatoes with purple rice on the side. This was so good. Napabili tuloy ako ng maraming white beans para magaya ko to pag uwi ko. In the past, yung palaging order naman namin dito is yung pesto, and then yung parang nachos and dip, and a pot of tea. Pero this time, para maiba, yung in-order naman naming pasta ay itong wild mushroom carbonara. It's very creamy and rich, and mild lang yung pagkakaseason. Masarap yung hot chocolate nila, and then na-curious ako dito sa turmeric and milk, so yan yung in-order ko. But it was a little too strong for me, medyo bitter na yung lasa. Kung first time yung pupunta sa Sagada, isama nyo sa listahan nyo to. Kami, ito yung paborito naming tambayan pagkatapos mapagod sa cave connection o kaya naman dun sa mga araw na gusto mo lang magpahinga.